AI is so powerful nowadays. Any kind of design you can create very easily with just a glimpse. Today, I'm going to make this kind of YouTube thumbnail design with AI with just one click. So search for the ideogram AI. Go to the first link. Create an account with your email. Now write any kind of design prompt that you want to create. I'm creating a thumbnail about the space mission. You can try whatever your niche is. Select the 16:9 ratio. If you have any branding color, you can choose it from here. Now click to generate. Remember, a lot of users creating design at a time, so it can take a little longer to create. Click here to see all the designs. Download any designs you like from here. Now I'm creating another topic. Looks how amazing designs all are. You can also get ideas from ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and write your video topic to get the prompt. Now copy this prompt. Back to ideogram and paste it here. Click to generate and wait a moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you.